or not with the shits, no shifty shit. We ride with this stick, this shit get lit, need five.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go over the M2 running boards, retractable running boards from Boost Auto Parts. Awesome installation, easy to follow instructions. I'm going to leave everything down in the description of their YouTube, how to install them. I did a whole video on it, but it's really not that great, so I figured I'm just going to go over the functions and what they look like. So let's go. All right, we have sequential running boards. They're white now. We turn signal on, or 4 ways, they turn amber. First function, they're rated for 600 pounds. In and out. No loud clicking or anything when they retract up. Flush fin. These do have a rock light function, which I did not hook up yet. So you can turn them on without the truck being on. It has a startup sequence and a bunch of other things that I'm going to show you now. All right, they also come with mats for the top. You can either get gray, red, or I believe blue. I'll show them to you guys right now. But yeah, awesome steps, easy installation, plug and play. I would highly recommend them. I believe they do have Labor Day sale right now going on. I think it's 20% off the whole site. All right, I would have to say this is probably the hardest part of the installation, is just getting all the wires correct, looking good. That was obviously my hardest part because I didn't want them all over the place. So your control box is right here. I zip tied it here. Everything's mounted all up in here, hidden. And then my wiring harness, my main wiring harness, is ran right along the back, out the side, to this headlight here, and then to the other headlight off of the back wire. But yeah, everything cleaned up really well. Engine bay's dirty, so. But yeah, this was probably the hardest part, at least for me, to try to hide everything because there's a lot of wires and a lot of loom. Other than that, it was easy installation. I don't know, it took about 3 hours in 2 days because I didn't have extra time. It got dark on me. But yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate it.